Okay, so right now it's math class. Please have your Chromebook out. Please have your math notebook and a pencil. Anything else you can put away in your desk. Put in your desk. Okay, so math. We're gonna be talking about. What do you think we're gonna be talking about, Jamari? Place value. Okay, so place value. We have went over and we talked about place value. We even did some previous activities on place value. So write today's date. Write today's date. And this is your do now. Place value. It says what, Raylon? By subtracting in your mind. So today is the 2, 7, 2, 4. So you're going to fill in the blanks by subtracting in your mind. So for number 1, it says 40, 30. Don't say the answer, blank, blank, 0. You're going to fill in the numbers there. So I want to give you a total of 5 minutes to complete this. I'm going to give you 5 minutes to complete this. So once you finish writing this down, let me know. Actually, I'll give you 8 minutes because I give you enough time to write it down and some time to fill in the answers. Okay. Okay, 8 minutes starting now. I'm going to walk around and just check and see if you're writing it down. So go ahead and start writing it down and make sure that you number it 1, 2, and 3. Okay. You can skip that part and go to this part. Okay. Because you have 8 minutes. Now you're down to 7 minutes. So you want to take your time and make sure that you're writing the questions down so you can answer the questions. Okay. And if you're not sure about an answer, that's okay because we're going to go over it. So I want you to be able to think about your answers and think about what strategy you may have used because you're going to talk to your elbow partner and you're going to discuss in front of the group. And then I'm going to ask for volunteers to come up to the board to fill in the answers. Okay? And if you should finish early, you should give me a thumbs up to let me know that you're finished with writing the questions and answering the questions. Okay? Jamari, what am I asking you guys to do? I'm asking you to do what here? Answer the what? Answer the questions. And once you finish answering the questions, Raylon, what am I asking you to do?
Thumbs up.
Thumbs up or raise your hand. That will let me know what, Jamari, that you finished. And if you finish before the time is up, that's fine too, okay? Okay, so you wrote the question. Now go ahead and answer the questions. Fill in the answer sheets. No, fill them in. You already wrote it here. Okay, so give a little time. We're gonna let Jamari finish up. Okay. Yeah, we're gonna let Jamari finish up. I'm gonna get a color marker. What marker would you like, Raylon? Fill in your answers. What color?
Green.
Green. Okay. Jamari, what color would you like to fill in your answer? What color would you like? Who? Okay. Okay, Jamari, you have about 5 more minutes. You good? You finished the answers? Okay. So I'm going to give you 1 minute to discuss with your elbow partner your answers and how you came up with that answer. So partner B will go first, and they will talk, and partner A will listen. So which question are you talking about? Okay, so question one.
I look on the board and see where you think are 40s and 30s, so I think we skip part of that 10. Probably 40, 30, 20, 10, and 1 second.
No, not the second, that's the first one. Thank you, Jamari. Raylon, do you agree with Jamari's strategy or disagree?
Agree.
Okay, so you agree, and so what was your strategy?
The same as his.
So you did what exactly too?
Count by 10.
So you skipped count by 10. Okay, so Jamari, please come and fill in number 1. Thank you, Jamari. Okay, Raylon. Jamari, can you tell us what number 1 says?
Number 1 says 40, 30, 20, 10.
Good. Do you agree? Wait, Raylon, have a seat, Jamari. Do you agree with that answer?
Yeah.
Yes. Okay, Jamari, Raylon, can you finish problem number 2? Okay, tell us what did you do, Raylon?
Count by 10.
You skipped count about 10, and can you give us the answers?
Yeah. 50, 40, 30, 20, 10.
Okay, Jamar, do you agree with the answer?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, for number 3, I'm going to say a number in my head from 1 to 5. I'm pointing, you're gonna give me a number, and that person will do number 3. Number from 1 to 5. Raise your hand and give me a number. What number do you have, Jamar? 1 through 5, give me a number.
4.
Okay, what number do you have, Raymond?
3.
The number was 3 in my head. Okay, so Raylon, you will complete number 3. You complete number 3. Yes.
You need to post it right.
Okay.
All of them look like,
Say it again.
like all of them.
Okay, so just hit post and post all of them.
Okay, just post all of them. The third quarter progress, Mr. McDowell.
Yes, ma'am. I see.
Did you?
Okay.
You
So,
shared it?
Jamari,
I think I did.
what is your thoughts?
Can you
Do you
reshare
agree or
it?
disagree? You agree. So Raylon, explain to me what did you do?
And maybe I missed it.
I
It could be, it's probably you.
Yeah, I could do that.
shown
Okay.
by 10.
Thank
in my
you.
head.
Okay, so you counted, so you did mental math. And you said 80, 70, 60, 50, 40, 30, 40, 10. Okay? So, good job. And so later we will watch this place value video, to give us a better understanding if there's other strategies and techniques we can use to answer the question. Okay, so now I'm going to pass out the place value, the worksheet. I'm gonna give you some time to complete this worksheet. Okay? You can sit down and complete the worksheet. Now I want you to use the same strategy that you used, and make sure you're looking at the question because some of them are different. Some of them are skip counting by different what? Numbers. So they're not all the same. Even though they look the same, right? Mm-hmm. You might have to use scratch paper on the side to get to this. So if you did this, do you think that's right? How? So these could be going up by what? Okay, try have that. Now, no, so you added this, you add this by 10, so this would be 10. Right, and so what'd you add to this number, or what? But you skip count by how many? 3? Look at it. From 5 to 15, what's the difference? So what's the difference? 15 minus, so let's do subtraction. Let's do subtraction. 15 minus 5, what's the difference? Look, 15 minus 5, the answer is not gonna be 0. Now subtract, and tell me what is the answer. 1. So let's not just guess. What's 5 minus 5? And then what's 1 minus 0? Okay, so now this is going up by what? 10. So 5, 15, 25. What are you gonna add to this number? Okay. And then what are you gonna add to this number? Okay. You can keep that as your thoughts and your ideas of how you got to the number. That's fine.